Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you my Archimedes death ray. Check this out. So unlike their Greek mathematician Archimedes, who used a parabolic mirror as his death ray, we're going to use a Fresnel lens from a rear projection television set. Check this out.
The other day on Facebook Marketplace, I found a 65-inch Sony rear projection television set that's in non-working condition for free. So I took it apart and I found that the screen had three sections. This filtered section, a clear screen in the front, and in between, a Fresnel lens. Perfect for my death ray. So if you look closely at the Fresnel lens, you'll see that there are concentric circular prisms that focus light to the center of the lens. We're going to focus light from the sun to the center of our Fresnel lens. So here we're focusing the Fresnel lens on a Cheerios box and some cardboard. Let's take a look at that beam of light. You can see how bright it is.
In the 1800s, Augustin Jean Fresnel was a French civil engineer who created the Fresnel lens. He found out by using two different kinds of prisms in concentric circles, he could focus light toward the center of the lens, casting light 26 miles out to sea to guide ships into the harbor. So long before Fresnel created his Fresnel lens, it was the Greek mathematician Archimedes that used a parabolic mirror to create his Archimedes death ray. And in 212 BC, when the Romans laid siege to Syracuse, Archimedes used a parabolic mirror to send light from the sun to catch the ship's sails on fire, to catch the whole of the ships on fire before they ever made it to the shore. Now, although some people dismiss this as whimsy, it was the 2nd century writer Lucian who stated that burning glasses in Archimedes' reflective mirror caught these ships on fire. Unfortunately, Archimedes didn't keep the Romans from taking Syracuse, and he was killed in that battle. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.